Hey guys, you're watching Tech PhD. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Snapdragon Edition. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Released earlier this year, it was the most premium flagship phone Samsung offered. Now that spot has been taken by the Note 10 Plus, but let's take a look at the S10 Plus once again. Is it still worth it? We're gonna find out. Lifting up the top cover of the box, we are greeted with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in all its glory. Now we'll set that to the side. Next, we have the wall adapter, the adaptive fast charger, which enables 15 watts charging for the phone. Next, we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter in case you wanted to connect a full-size USB peripheral to your phone. After that, in this quite frankly difficult to open box, we have the white USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. Not USB Type-C on both ends, unfortunately. After that, we're greeted with Samsung's proprietary AKG headphones. The headphones which are famously included in their flagship phones and are well known for their quality and comfort. So we're gonna wrap that back up and put it aside. Now going to the phone itself, we can see it's a very beautiful phone, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Prism White edition. So it's in the prism white color. Turning on the screen, we can see that beautiful Quad HD Plus display. Now we're gonna go to the settings and check out some information about the phone. So we go to the settings, about the phone, we can see a Galaxy S10 Plus. Now checking CPU-Z, we can see that it's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, not the Exynos version, Snapdragon 855 with 8 cores running at 2.84 gigahertz. So this phone is blazing fast. Next, we can see some information about the software. So it's running One UI version 1.1, Android version 9, so Android Pie. Now we're taking a look at the cameras. The selfie camera, we can see, hasn't changed much from the Note 9 and the S9 Plus. We still have live focus mode, photo mode, video mode, and the crop in and crop out in the photo mode, which tries to simulate a wider angle than it actually is. Then in the main camera, we see something quite interesting. We have 3 lenses this time: an ultra wide angle, the main angle lens or the normal lens, and then we have a 2x optical zoom telephoto lens. We have some other modes like video, super slow motion, hyperlapse, panorama, pro mode, live focus mode, and what's this? A dedicated night mode. This is what has been requested for so long, and I'm glad Samsung finally gave in to the consumers' wants and did this. One more look at the back of the phone in this beautiful prism white color. At the back, we can see the heart rate sensor and some chips for S Health, and that's it. That's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and guess what? A headphone jack. Come on people, we need this jack. Jeez. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification icon so you don't miss more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.